Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Manogar here. In this video, I'm going to discuss about my top 3 secret traffic sources of solo ads that I'm using in my affiliate marketing business. So if you stay tuned till the end of this video, I'm going to reveal you the third and the most secret traffic source that I'm using right now. And if you buy the third traffic source of solo ads, then you're going to get a free bonus and a free service. So stay tuned. So if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below and also hit the bell notification in order to get the very first notice whenever I upload my videos. So let's get straight into our first traffic source. So the very first traffic source that I'm going to discuss is Udimi. So when you log into Udimi using my affiliate link in the description box below, you will be asked to enter your email address and password in order to create your account. And then once you create your account, you can come over here to buy solos, and you can see around 229 sellers that are available. If you do a generic search, you no need to have to necessarily go through one by one and do your research and try it out. I'm just going to straight show you the one that you can use right now is Thomas Freeman. So you can see the current deal. This is under buy solos. So when you click on solo deals over here, you can see the same Thomas Freeman over here, and you can get around a discounted price, which is around $0.47. And when you click on now here you can see the buy solo ad, and here you can see the solo ad clicks that you can alter. So you can see the minimum clicks is 175 and maximum it goes around 1500 to 2925. So I would suggest you to go for 300 clicks, because you at least need a 300 clicks on a offer to check whether it is converting or not. And you can see the value around $144. Now, I would recommend you to go for only the top tier, which means the top tier 1 countries, which includes US, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and Singapore. So once you check on this button, you will see the cost going up. So it's around $171. Check and you can select the date when you can start delivering the clicks, the solo ad vendor. After that, you can enter your affiliate link, which you can get it from your third-party tracking software. In this case, I would recommend to go for Opt-in Dojo. Once you create the tracking link in Opt-in Dojo, then you can enter your tracking link over here and you can click on order now. So that's going to be the first traffic source. So the second traffic source that I'm going to discuss is Traffic Blade. You can check out the affiliate link in the description box below. So when you come down and scroll down to the bottom, and you can see 2 different packages, expert marketer packages and beginner marketer packages. Now, please don't get confused by seeing that beginner marketer packages are only for the beginners. So I will show you the difference. So in expert marketer packages, it is totally 100% tier 1 countries. So tier 1 countries includes US, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and Singapore. And in beginner marketer packages, you can see it is only 70% tier 1 countries. So honestly, I would recommend you to go for the expert marketer packages, and I would request you to go for 500 visitors at least, so to check if your offer is converting or not. So once you click on get started, it will take you to the checkout page. So in this checkout page, if you have any coupon code, then you can apply the coupon code and you can click on the proceed to checkout and you can pay the amount. Now the third and the most secret traffic source that I'm going to discuss about is the solo ads click from my very own mentor, Ben from Singapore. So when you click on the affiliate link in the description box below, you can reach over this page. And when you scroll down, there are 2 different packages available. So the first one will be 95% tier 1 countries premium traffic, where it costs around 85 cents per click. And when you scroll down, you can see the 100% USA buyer only premium traffic, where it costs around 95 cents per click. So there is a difference of around 10 cents per click. So it is purely 100% USA traffic over here, and you can see the different packages available, like 100 clicks, 200 clicks, 300 clicks, 500 clicks, 700 clicks, and up to 1000 clicks in a single order. When you buy solo ad clicks from Ben, then you will get a complimentary free 15 minutes Zoom session in order to review your email marketing setup, your funnel setup, and the offers that you're promoting. And the mentor will provide his guidance and recommendations on your funnels and offers. And another aspect is that whenever you buy a season level and above packages, which means that anything above 500 clicks, if you purchase anything above 500 clicks per order, then you will be entitled to a free email marketing success secrets crash course. So what you get in this course? In this course, you will get how to build a high converting squeeze page, how to improve your open rates and click-through rates, how to authenticate your domain, how to register your domain with Google, how to track your performance of your solo ads, and how to build your own buyer's email list even as an affiliate, and his personal recommendation on the CPA affiliate network to join. So this is going to be a bonus when you buy a season level package and above. The free 15-minute Zoom session to review your funnels, your email autoresponder setup, and the offers you're promoting is going to be immaterial of whatever the clicks you're going to buy, whether it might be 100 clicks or 1000 clicks. It doesn't matter. You will get a free complimentary Zoom session with Ben for 15 minutes. So once you order your clicks, for example, if you order 1000 clicks, you will be taken to the payment details where you have to enter your first name, last name, email, and your tracking link. You can enter your tracking link over here, and then the billing information where you can pay through credit card or debit card or PayPal. So after that, you can click on continue payment to complete the payment. So these are the top 3 secret traffic sources that I recommend for you to use if you're using solo ads for your email list building. So, and I would seriously recommend you to go for the third and the most secret traffic source, which is from my own mentor, Ben. So see you in another video. Until then, bye.